Hello guys, welcome to another video by Technical Mac. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification because you don't want to miss out on our regular giveaways and tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you an app that you can use both on iOS as well as Android platform, which helps you to see the DP, that is the display picture of any Instagram profile, without you requiring to sign into Instagram from a third-party app. One advantage of using Zoomy is that you don't have to sign in. Like, there are some other apps that ask you to sign in before you can actually proceed with the viewing of someone's DP. But with Zoomy, you don't have to do that. You just have to enter the app and then type the username of the account whose DP that you want to see in full size. So the thing is, because of this, a lot of people are more comfortable using this app because you don't have to enter your personal details into a third-party app, because we don't know, right, which of the apps out there are the genuine ones. So let's give you an example. Let's search for our own account. So that will be technical Mac. There you go. Now the profile picture, you need to tap it to zoom it. So once you click on it, you need to click on show no HD picture, because the HD picture is the paid version where the weekly fee is about like 150 Indian rupees. And when you click on the show no HD picture, an ad might pop up. Just close that and click on it, show no HD picture, and you'll get the full size image. So this is the advantage of Zoomy. You can check out other users also. For example, let's try out Instagram's account, and you want to see that DP, so in full HD. So you just have to click on it, and there you go. You just have to tap to zoom, show no HD picture, an ad will pop up. Close that and click on it again, show no HD picture, and there you go. You'll get the full picture. The HD picture will cost you, but it's definitely worth it because there are other features as well that's coming along with the paid version. So there you go. That's Zoomy for you. Zoomy is also there for Android. The one I showed you is for the iOS version. The Android version comes with additional features. It's not just viewing the DP, it has additional features as well. Do check it out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash that like button, because your support means a lot to us. So stay safe guys. Till then, bye bye.